Hello guys, welcome to Ratan 3D World. Today we are going to print a Hulk. So I use this Thingiverse website. It got all the 3D models. So these all are the models in this website. We can download it. It's a free to use. It's a royalty free model. So I decided to download this one. This one is Hulk 3D scan. See, this is how it's the model. This is with the support and this is without support. It has shown. So it has with support and without support model. It is designed by 3D WP in 2015. It's for design. So I will download this now. It will take a couple of seconds and it will start downloading automatically. So as you can see, it has download. It has started downloading. So I will open this in the folder. I have saved in the new folder, and it will look like a zip file. It will be a zipped file, and I have to unzip it. This two Hulk and Hulk support. H1 is that I have made that. So it was Hulk and Hulk support. So I will open the Hulk one. This is how it looks. It's a huge one. So I will reduce the height, Z height, to 120 mm. This is okay. And rest settings I will keep it the same. It is uniform scaled, so I will keep it the same. I will not change that. Now let's see how it is looking. It has changed anything. We have changed the height, so it has not changed any of the exterior structure, such as in a y direction or x direction. Distance 7 is not changed. So let's look at the settings here. It's layer height 0.2 mm, the shell thickness point, the top bottom thickness 1.6, flow 20, speed I have taken 30, and temperature of the filament I have 210, and a bed temperature 50. It doesn't require, it's a PLA, it sticks, but I have kept it to 50. Support type, I will take touch from everywhere, since it is a very huge structure to be print and touch from everywhere. So okay, next is platform adhesion. So I'll select none. Let it be. This is all settings. Let's save this file now. Now this is how it looks after this. I shoot the video after almost 9 hours of print, and this is all the supports that we have talked about earlier. And this is the top of that is a 20% infill we had given, no? That is 20% infill. And this is all the supports. See how it's cool, it's printed. This is a 20% infill, so to give a structure rigidity. So after 11 hours of struggle, it printed like this. It's printed very cool. Now let's see in detail the structures of this Hulk. You can see the fingers. It has printed very cool. Yeah, this is the veins. The veins have also come up with a very good quality. It has not sacrificed its veins. Second is muscles. Hulk is all about muscles, so it has printed very well. It has done justice on the Hulk. The printer has done justice. Yeah, see this veins, this tiny vein, that also had printed very well. It has not skipped that or tried to hinder any layer out like that. And this is the ankle. Ankle has also printed very cool. Yeah, this is also. Now let's see top. Okay, this muscles is also printed very good. This I like this one. It's a toned part of the trouser. It has printed very cool. Without support it had printed. It was designed very good, and that design has been printed very well. The printer had done justice on this also. Now see these wrinkles on the trousers. It's perfectly wrinkled and it's printed very well. Okay, now this back of this muscle. There is also a trouser there, torn trouser. This is the muscles, six packs, abs. It's printed very well. Side muscles also is printed very well. Textures while straining the muscles, that is also tension in the muscle, that is also, it's done justice on that also. See this palm. This palm has a deep depression in that also it is printed. Then there is a muscles down the thumb area, that also it has printed very well. Fingers are also very good. Then the muscles, upper forearm muscles are also printed good. The shape, it has retained that shape, it has not hindered that shape of that muscles. This is the back of the muscles, same end. The back of the muscles are the key one, you can see key muscles. It has printed very good. The texture, the shiny part, the muscles ups and downs, it's printed very well. Fingers are also good. Now let's see next arm. Yeah, this, so I have printed it in the two parts, such up till that, and after that I have printed on the top of the half. So this is the line of separation. I have sanded that. We'll talk in the later. See this muscle. This is printed afterwards, but it also had printed a very good quality. See this is the top layer of that muscles. It has printed very well. It is layered by layer. It has printed, and it is come up with a good quality. Now see these muscles. Yeah. This was a single muscle actually, but it has been printed in two halves. So that also it has printed very good. The chest part, the chest muscles are also good in this. Now the back muscle is a tension, and it has printed very well tensions. The surface structure or surface finish is very good. The line of separation, it is deep from top and it's slightly less at the bottom, so it has printed that also. This is the depression in the muscle, is that area, that is also printed very good. This is the line of separation. I have sanded this using sandpaper. This is neck muscles. It is a bulging outside, and it's looking at the sideways, that also printed very good. It's given the structure also strength. See the face, the ear is a small one. Regardless of that, it's printed very good. It's the internal structures also can be visible properly. The expression of the Hulk is very good. It's angry expression. The teeth, the nose, and the cheek muscles has been at a depression in that also it has retained to print. It has not skipped any layer of that such. See the teeth, the lips has a thickness, that also it has printed. The angry expression is very good. The ear has a internal structures also, that has also been printed slightly. The neck muscles are also good. This is the top muscles, this is the neck muscles. See how it shines, it's very good. The hairs are also been pretty curly hairs. It is printed very well. It's rough. It's filled rough for the hands. Now let's see how I sanded this part. I have printed it in two halves, so another half came a slightly bigger one, the top half, so I have to sand it using the sandpaper. But before that I have adhered it using Aerolite. It's a highly adhesive material, so it adheres very well. And this is how I had sanded its back part. Chest part I had not sanded it. I had perfectly matched the chest and then sanded the back of the Hulk. So it gives me good advantage. I have used this sandpaper to sand that hand, but by using the hand sandpaper, it gives it tough. So I use this 12-volt DC motor and printed that attachment for that, and sticked sandpaper on it. So it will be it moves at a high speed, so it will give precise sanding. That's why I made that. I sanded it just slightly, and this I have sanded with the hand sandpaper. So it has this decoloration, and more material was getting removed. So I used that motor sandpaper to sand this, and it has sand exactly at the edges of that. So it has given me good quality. Thank you. While Innate 3D printer is a best printer, it is printing very well. The Hulk muscles have been printed very well. Thank you for watching this video.